Shiba Inu price has been moving and it looks like it's going to continue into this week. Also, we're seeing a significant increase in burns transactions. And why is that important? Is that driving the price, or is everyone getting on the Dogecoin Shiba Inu bandwagon? We're going to talk about it all in this video, but before we do that, please consider subscribing if you are in the Shib army. Also leave a like on this video and let's dive into it. So before we get into the video, let's just talk really quickly about our sponsor BingX. They are offering you a great deal by just clicking the link in the description just for signing up to their platform. They're going to give you $20 which you can use to trade on their platform. Also, they have a fantastic new user rewards that you can go and check out. You can come and spot trade all your favorite cryptocurrencies. They have derivatives, grid trading, amongst many other things that you can use over on their platform. It's quick, it's simple, and it's really easy to use. They're a great platform for anyone wanting to get into cryptocurrency. They also have a mobile application that you can use. So if you want to get involved, you want to trade or buy your latest crypto and getting $20 just for signing up with the link in the description, get yourself over to BingX, sign up with my link, and you grab yourself that $20. Now, let's talk Shiba Inu. So Shiba Inu 1227 down 3.16%, had a big rally through the weekend, but does look set to do the same this week. Currently 834 million is the volume, $6.7 billion market cap, is down, but we are ranked the 13th highest cryptocurrency out there. If we look a little bit more on the technicals, we can see on the hour just starting to mint a nice green candle. You can see we topped out here 1520 over the weekend, a really strong move, but you can see the sentiment is following a very similar pattern. We saw this really nice run up. We did see people take profits as it came back down, as we saw the global market cool a little bit through the weekend, but we are starting to form this very similar U-shape, ready to start to move again this week, particularly when we talk about burn rates and positive sentiment into the market. Global market we have talked about is just over that 1.03 trillion mark, which is great to have, as it always feels better when we're over $1 trillion in the global market. But like I said, Doge and Shib having a pretty nice run. So it's going to be interesting to see where we go. RSI is really trending nicely. Money flow is slightly negative, but we'll hold on because it could be a pretty strong week in general. Now let's get into the meat of this video. So Shib burn rate spikes 20% after the Shiba Inu price cools down. So again, we saw that price move down a little bit, but the burn rate continues to move. It says the recent rise in Shib quotations has triggered changes to the crypto burn rate numbers. One of the most interesting was Shib's burn rate reaching 1,720% today after the coin quotes cooled slightly, i.e. the price came down. According to Cryptite data, such a high figure resulted in burning of 44 million Shib in a single day, representing 41.9% of the tokens burned in the last 7 days. That's a huge number if you think about it. Yet despite the 3-digit burn, the 6-digit burn of Shib sent to dead address, their equivalent value does not exceed 525. That is the problem. Although these numbers are big and we have big burn percentages, the overall number right now isn't as big as we would like to hope. Obviously, when the price comes up, that number will go. The burns might be a bit less. It's also worth noting that a few days before the Shib burn rallied, the actual value increased by half in 2 days. Token burning made a leap in favor of an increase. Thus, from the 23rd to the 27th, the number of Shib burned increased by 16.9%. So it's always worth bearing in mind the supply is big. We do have to get more of these burns put in. But as we see with Shib, when the price rises, people buy in. It's natural. People always just come into Shiba Inu as the price goes. So at the same time, globally, the number of Shibs being burnt has reached a plateau since the beginning of autumn, as reported by you today. Shiba Inu token burning has fallen by 60% since September. Again, this is due to the total market. The market's come down. Remember, burning is part of either community-driven projects. It doesn't burn itself. Shiba Inu is a renounced contract, therefore it cannot implement a burn mechanism. Therefore, we have ulterior ways of burning Shiba Inu. So the trend is continuing. Judging from the 1-year graph, its normal state of affairs against the background, the period from mid-July to end of August seems abnormal. The Shiba Inu total supply was then reduced by 7 billion Shib at a time. And I think it's important to reference the burning of Shib is going to be a continuation of what it does. They can't implement it onto chain, so it's all about other projects and other things that actively burn Shib as well as the community. Now, what we need to see is positive price action. Positive sentiment in the market does then support Shib, and we can see that, and we saw that over the weekend as the global market moved. We did see Shib move along with it. You can see 22.5% through the weekend. Dogecoin up 100% over the last 7 days, absolutely insane, but in line with BNB and Ethereum. So when we see a positive move for Shib, we generally then see the same across the weekend. What does the future hold for Shib? Well, there's a lot of potential with it, and I think as we see the market move, I think Shib will be one of those that moves with it. It's an easy gateway into cryptocurrency. It's incredibly accessible. We still have the Robinhood partnership amongst many others that can support Shiba Inu. So let me know down below in the comments, what do you think? What do you think of burning Shiba Inu? Do you think there needs to be another way? We still are waiting for Shib Eternity to give that quote in terms of how that's going to burn Shiba Inu, but certainly is interesting. Don't forget, subscribe to the channel if you're holding Shiba Inu. Leave a like on this video if you're bullish on Shib, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.